Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel OJ Marketing. And right now in today's video, I'm actually going to walk you through how to make money online doing virtual assistant jobs. Now, first of all, let's simply go on to finding out what virtual assistant actually is. Now, a virtual assistant is a self-employed worker who specializes in offering administrative services to clients from a remote location, and those locations are usually a home service right now. Now you can actually see right here that such jobs actually involve stuff like scheduling appointments, making phone calls, making travel arrangements, and managing email accounts. So basically that's how simple virtual assistant jobs are, and you can go on to making a lot of money right now with such kinds of jobs utilizing a very cool platform right now called the wingassistants.com. And it's a very cool platform whereby whereby a lot of people come onto the platform to hire virtual assistants and virtual assistants for startup and enterprise teams, as people could come onto the platform to delegate their work, tasks, or processes to a dedicated full-time team member on a month-on-month subscription. Now, if you do keep on scrolling through this homepage, you can see some of the things virtual assistants can actually go on to doing. They can manage your calendar, respond to your emails, do basic research and report, receive your calls, make travel arrangements, order products and supplies, handle CRM tools, and also track expenses and invoices right there. If you keep on scrolling through, guys, you're gonna see much more cool and amazing stuff that you can easily get from this platform called the wingassistant.com. As with this platform right now, you could go on to getting your tax up to 80% quicker and cheaper. You can actually get dedicated assistants only. You can get free customer success managers, Wing workspace app, and ongoing quality supervisions. Now, scrolling through, guys, you can actually go on to seeing how this particular website actually works. Now, if you do have a job that you want to give out to a virtual assistant, you just need to go on to submitting the details about the ideal assistant and sign up today by paying up the deposit amount right now. And once you actually do that, the platform actually connects your CSM and Wing onboarding team, connect with you and confirm a start date and or clarify on details. Now you can also see right here that they will actually match you with the perfect Wing assistant ready to learn and accomplish your tasks from day one. Now, if you do keep on scrolling through, here are actually some of the payment plans of this particular platform right here called the wingassistant.com. But since you actually do intend on working as a virtual assistant, you don't need to worry about this. You just need to go on to working as a virtual assistant and earn some money on the platform. So you can easily go on to signing up as a virtual assistant right here. By clicking on get started, you may actually go on to signing up as a virtual assistant. Come onto this platform right now. You could just simply go on to checking out the job section. Now you can see, guys, that you could just simply go on to join in the 1% of remote workers and build your career today. To get to this page right here, you just need to click on jobs right now, as you can see on this section. Now you can see that hundreds of virtual assistants and remote jobs are available on this platform, and you could be part of the growing team of top talents making a difference. Just browse their available jobs today and just simply do some jobs. Now take note, guys, that they are actually currently accepting applications for a wide range of virtual assistant positions, and you can see that all positions are remote and can be served from anywhere in the world except from positions marked as US only. Now you can see right now that you could just simply go to checking out jobs available in the Philippines, India, Mexico, and USA. So if I select Philippines right now, you can actually do see the jobs offers available on this particular section. You can see that they're actually looking for a healthcare virtual assistant, executive assistant, a medical scribe, real estate cold caller, real estate virtual assistant, real estate transaction coordinator, bookkeeper, content writer, and a lot more. Now you can also go on to checking out the United States. You're going to see some jobs available such as bookkeeping, content writer, customer service representative, digital marketing specialist, executive assistant, e-commerce specialist, general virtual assistant, graphic designer, lead generation specialist, and a lot more cool jobs available. Now you may just simply focus on one. Maybe I want to focus on this general virtual assistant. I'm going to select that. It's going to bring me to this page, and you can just see that you could easily go on to applying for this job. Now before you apply for this job, you need to take note of some things. Now there's a disclaimer right here that says this is a generic job description for positions stated below. Now, actual tasks and tools will be discussed further when you actually reach the final interview stage. And you can actually see that you need to ensure that you apply for the job based on your location and experience. They actually prioritize people who can do this successfully. Now, you can also take note, guys, that here are actually some of the duties and responsibilities of a general virtual assistant on this particular platform, and you must be able to actually do all this once you do intend on applying for the job. Now, you need to be able to store and organize documents and files. You need to actually have data entry skills. You need to also have to be able to research products, purchase goods, and actually secure samples. You need to be able to create, send statements or invoices, track payments, and record of company's expenses, and a lot more cool and amazing duties and responsibilities. Now, if you do check out the qualification, you need to be at least 6 months to 1 year of experience as a virtual assistant. You need to be 18 years and above. You need to actually have an excellent phone, email, and instant messaging communication skills. You need to also be solid in organizational and time management skills. You need to be tech savvy. You need to actually have experience with word processing software and spreadsheets, and you can check out all of that. Now, here are the technical requirements, which are actually the hardware devices you need to have before applying for this job. You need to actually have a headset with noise cancellation features, a working webcam, a computer with this particular amount of processor speed, and also the RAM. You can actually see much more details about that, and here are some of the benefits of this particular job right now. Now, you also need to take note that this is actually the earning potential of this job, that you can actually earn this particular amount, which is $2,400, if you are actually on the entry level salary. Now, those are actually for people that has a 1 to 3 year experience in virtual as a virtual assistant. Now, if you're actually in the intermediate level, that means you actually have 3 to 5 years experience as a virtual assistant, and you're going to be earning this price. Now, you can see the amount right here, which you'll be earning monthly for you being an expert, which is for you having 5 years plus of experience as a virtual assistant. So that's actually quite cool. Also, take note that only qualified candidates will be invited to take the assessment and schedule for an interview. They also have vacancies that might interest your friends and colleagues. They can actually check us out at this particular location right now, and you can see how cool that is. Just simply apply for the job and stand a chance of actually being eligible to go on to getting this particular job, and you can make money right now, cool cash, from this particular tax right now. You could also go to checking out other jobs available on the platform and apply to the one suitable to you and the one you are actually having such skills to do, and just simply go on to doing that and earn some cool money online. Now, if you're also looking for other ways to make money online, I do have one that I'm just going to give on to you guys as a bonus in this video, and that is actually going to enable you earn up to $2,000 to $3,000 every single month. Now, if you check out the first link in the description of the video, you're just simply going to come on to this particular page right now, and this is for an amazing course that I'm giving out to you guys. This course is a 3-hour YouTube work plan to help you fast track your channel earnings and growth, and like I said, it can enable you earn up to $2,000 to $3,000 monthly. Now, the course is being sold right now for about $49 today, of which this will actually expire on the 1st of April 2024. After this specific date, you're going to be purchasing the course for $199. Now, this is a one-time payment which you will actually have to make, and if you do that payment, the course will be actually available to you for life, and you can get that in about 2 minutes time. So why not just simply purchase the course right now and save up to $150 right there. Now, if you keep on scrolling through this page, you can see much more details about the course, about the earning capabilities of the course and potentials, and also you'll be able to see some cool payment proof videos like this one right now that shows you how cool and amazing the course is. And I assure you guys, you don't want to miss out on this course, because it's going to walk you through step by step and make money online with YouTube. So that's it for now. Don't forget to check out my channel right here, because I usually create videos to help make money online. Don't also forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bells on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.